In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know if your LinkedIn message was read. Now, LinkedIn is a professional platform where keeping track of your communications can be crucial. So let's dive right in and make sure you're equipped with the knowledge to see if your messages are getting the attention they deserve. First and foremost, head over to linkedin.com and sign in to your account. If you're not already a member, you'll want to create an account. But assuming most of you already have one, just enter your email and password and press sign in. This brings you to your main newsfeed, a hub for all professional updates and insights tailored to you. Next, locate the messaging icon at the top of your screen. It looks like a little speech bubble and is your gateway to all previous conversations. Once you click on it, a drop-down box will appear with your most recent messages. If you want to access more, there's an option to view all messages that will open your entire inbox. Now, let's get to identifying if your messages have been read. Keep an eye out for any of your threads that have a bolded name or subject line, indicating unread messages on your end. But we're focusing on your sent messages here. Click on the conversation with the person you're curious about. For this example, perhaps you're opening a chat with someone who recently sent a group post. Let's say it's from Miriam. Within this thread, navigate to the message you're interested in. To figure out if it has been read, you'll look for a small profile icon that appears right beside your message. This icon signifies that the recipient has opened and presumably read your message. This feature is straightforward once you know what you're looking for. Just remember, if you don't see that little icon, it's safe to assume your message hasn't been read yet, or the recipient has disabled read receipts on their end. In some cases, depending on the privacy settings of the other person, they might not allow read receipts, which means this icon won't show up. So if you find that you're not seeing much feedback from sent messages, their privacy settings could be the reason. That's all there is to it. You're now equipped with the ability to identify when your LinkedIn messages have been read, which can be incredibly useful for managing your professional relationships and communications. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful in navigating your LinkedIn communication. Stay connected and see you in the next tutorial.